What's up everyone? I am Anujan Nidraso and welcome to my online tutorial video. And for today's session, we're going to learn one of the most important topics in calculus, the limit of function. So what is a limit? A limit describes the value of a function approaches as the input or x gets closer to a certain number. It helps us to understand how function behaves even at point where it might not directly define.
So we have a problem here. X squared minus 4 over x minus 2. So the limit of function niya is equivalent to 2. So if we substitute this, ito yung kalalabasan. 2 x squared minus 4. So let's try to substitute it directly. So we substitute the 2 sa x. So 2 x squared minus 4, 2 minus 2. So ang iyang equivalent answer is 0, which is mali siya. So instead, let's use factoring. So if we use factoring, so it'll become like this. So x plus 2 times x minus 2 over x minus 2. So let's cancel na lang ang same niya. Then muna na yung atong ang answer. Then substitute na to. Pwede na siya i-substitute atong limit. Then so now let's proceed na sa number 2. Ang problem niya kay 5x plus 7 over x minus 1. So the limit of function niya is negative 2. So if matanong na to nga yung equivalent kay dili na siya 0 pareha ng number 1. So pwede na dili mo gamit og factoring. So let's substitute na dito. So 5 tapos ang limit of function negative 2 man. So substitute lang. Tapos plus 7 then negative 2 kay negative 2 man ang x. Na ang limit of function kay negative 2 then substitute lang. So ang answer niya kay 5 times negative 2 equals 10. So kapilang niya pa ng 7. So ito lang siyang ginihinay. Then let's answer na. So negative 7 plus 7 equals to negative 3. So negative 2 minus negative 1 equals negative 3. So ang answer niya is this, or 1. So number 3, let's proceed to number 3, the last. 3x plus 1 then x plus 4. So the limit of function niya is 2. So we're going to substitute na lang siya kay dili naman siya equals to 0. Okay, dili naman siya pare sa number 1 nga problem. So the 3 substitute 2 plus 1 tapos 2. So substitute man imong limit of function plus 4. Then mo na siya. Tapos let's solve na. So 3 times 2 equals 6. Then copy ang 1. Then 2 copy niya po siya. So answer na to siya. So 6 plus 1 equals 7. So then 2 plus 4 equals 6. So that's it.
So that's it. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and if you found this helpful, so don't forget to give me a high grade. So this is my first and last video tutorial, so see you when I see you.